Prioritize health. Your body is the foundation of your life's journey. Without health, dreams fade and ambitions stall. Invest in yourself, eat well, exercise, and rest. Health isn't just the absence of illness. It's a state of complete physical, mental, and social well-being. Make it a priority, because when you feel your best, you can give your best. Remember, a healthy you is the most valuable asset you possess. Embrace health and let it fuel your path to greatness.
Join us as we take on the challenge of mastering some secret yogi dance moves that promise to help with weight loss. Yogi dance is a unique blend of yoga and dance that's taking the world by storm in 2024. And the best part? It's incredibly effective for weight loss. By combining the flexibility and strengthening benefits of yoga with the energetic fun of dance, Yogi dance is the ultimate workout for those looking to shed some pounds and get in shape. We've all been there, stuck in a rut with traditional workout routines that feel more like a chore than a thrill. You know, the same old treadmill routine, the same old weightlifting exercises, the same old everything. It's no wonder we often lack motivation or enjoyment when it comes to working out. And let's be real, who hasn't skipped a gym session or two because they just didn't feel like it? But what if I told you there's a way to make working out feel like a celebration, not a punishment? That's where Yogi dance comes in. This practice is all about embracing movement as a form of self-expression and joy, rather than a means to an end. And the best part? You don't need to be a skilled dancer or yogi to get started. Yogi dance is accessible to anyone, regardless of fitness level or experience. So whether you're a seasoned gym goer or a total newbie, Yogi dance is the perfect way to shake up your routine and get moving. Let's talk about some specific yogi dance moves that are particularly effective for weight loss. One of my favorites is the shoulder roll shimmy. This move targets your core and arms, getting your heart rate up and burning calories in no time. Another great one is the warrior pose bounce. This move engages your legs and glutes, helping to tone and strengthen your lower body. Next up is the tree pose twirl. This move is all about balance and control, getting your entire body working together to create a fun and challenging movement. And finally, we have the mountain pose march. This move gets your heart rate up and gets you moving, engaging your entire body in a fun and dynamic way. Now it's time to put it all together. Let's take a look at a short demonstration of a powerful yogi dance sequence that encapsulates the energy and effectiveness of the workout. As you can see, yogi dance is all about embracing movement and having fun. By combining these effective moves, you can create a workout routine that's both challenging and enjoyable. And that's what it's all about. Finding a workout that you love so you'll actually stick to it. So what's the takeaway from all of this? Yogi dance is an effective and fun way to lose weight and get in shape. By incorporating these simple yet powerful moves into your routine, you can start seeing results and feeling more confident and empowered in your own body. Don't forget to try out some of these yogi dance moves for yourself and share your experiences in the comments below. And if you want to learn more, be sure to check out my other video on the benefits of yogi dance for stress relief. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Please like, share, and subscribe our channel for more videos like this.